So this is something which I wanted to share. So recently, I had been telling few of my people that I've been manifesting something. To be honest, I am manifesting my best friend as my life partner. There's a history between us, and we have been together, but there were certain circumstances which popped up, and right now I'm manifesting marriage with my person. So this is something like some or the other way. Few of my people came to know about all these things. So there was a lot of doubt and a lot of opinions which they were giving me, which totally, I think it comes when people don't know that this law actually works. People don't know that you can actually manifest your person as your husband or your wife. So there have been a lot of opinion which they have been giving to me, which actually doesn't matter to me, but at some or the other point you might get triggered. So there's this thing that a few days back, like, my mother started commenting something on this, and I got disheartened for some time. But there's this thing which inside of my heart I always knew that if God gave you a promise, He will make it come to pass. And you don't have to justify why you believe that this is yours, or you don't need to keep on justifying or keep on clarifying other people that God gave you this promise, so He will make it come to pass. It might not be logically same for them to understand what you're saying, but faith is something which is beyond logic. And if God has promised you something, He will make it come to pass. And you don't need to clarify it to other people, even if they are very close to you. You don't need to get validation from others. It is fine if they don't understand what you're going through, or it is completely okay if people don't understand what you are doing. If people are thinking that you're waiting, it is their problem. They don't understand. Manifesting is not waiting. It's like aligning yourself to that version which already has it. So just one more example. So few days back I had only 199 subscribers, and today I checked I have 242 subscribers, or 224, I am not sure about it, but the last time I checked it was almost 242 subscribers. So there's a huge jump of subscribers. I was not even thinking about it. I knew that I'm creating a difference in someone's life through my videos, through my rampages, and I just kept doing it, and it aligned. Whenever I had not put a time frame, I had not put anything at all, but it just started clicking. So just like this, just like in 1 second your life can change. Just like, so whatever you assume, that will come to pass. So like, I always, whenever I put some kind of video or rampages, I always assume that it is creating a difference in someone's life, and it does create a difference in someone's life. Sometimes you might see subscribers popping up all of a sudden, and sometimes you might not, but you need to accept this fact that it is creating a positive change in someone's life. So that's how I can tell you that within 24 hours so many subscribers have subscribed to my page, and I'm so thankful to all of you. But then life can change in just few seconds. It's all about your alignment, it's all about your belief, it's all about what you need to keep believing in yourself. You need to increase your self concept a lot, and you need to also see your person in a positive light. Or if you're manifesting money, then you need to see yourself as a money magnet, no matter what your 3D shows you, because sometimes there might be a 3D lag, and it is completely fine. It will come to you in the divine timing. So just believe, and maybe you're quite near to it, near to your destination. So you already have it. Just believe it is yours. That's it. So that night when I slept, and the next morning I got up, I'm continuing the incident I had with my mother. And the next day when I got up, I just had a revelation from Jesus, that Christ lives in me. And this is a scripture as well. And the shocking thing is that uh, I didn't even read the scripture before going to bed, or I didn't see it popping up anywhere in my feed, in my Instagram, or in my Facebook, or in my Bible app. No, but it still came into my mind the first time. I mean, the first thing in the morning when I got up. So that was God's way of telling me that I live in you. You should never doubt in yourself, even if people don't believe what you're doing, what you your journey. It is completely okay. So this is a reminder not to seek validation from people, even if you need it the most. Don't seek validation from your people. Don't seek validation from your 3D. Just keep going and know that there is a power in this universe which is protecting you from anything which you don't want to go through, and you will always get what you want. The only thing is that your awareness should be on what you want and not what you don't want. That's it. Thank you.